An important check. I'm Chris, application specialist here at Wardjet. I'm going over preventative maintenance on the A-Series Z-Carriage. So here we are on the front side of the machine, looking at our Z-Carriage. You won't use the special grease fitting anymore, regular Zerk fitting to grease the ball nut for the Z-Carriage. Just one pump, maybe two pumps in each one, slowly to grease that successfully. That wraps up greasing. We have the on-off actuator. It is in a normally closed position, so as long as your pump is off, your water command is off, we can take this airline off and put a drop or two of that pneumatic oil in there to grease the actuator, keep it from gumming up. There is a rebuild kit for this, and in an upcoming video, we'll go over how to rebuild the actuator as well.